Hi everyone, so I've just got this tool set of a screwdriver from AliExpress. This is a Jakemy 180 in 1 pieces. So mini container they call it here. Alright, so I think it opens up like that. Okay, then this is the box. This is 180 in 1 as it says here. It looks like some kind of container, mini container shape. You have this like some kind of lock. It's magnetic. It's pretty cool. I like it. Just snaps in place like that. And then you have some magnets on the sides here. It's gonna be difficult to open one-handed. You see, there are some magnets here. They're pretty strong. And you have the center place here, and you have these sides, so you still can open this all the way like that, and the same on the other side. In the middle you have the handle, the main handle. It has this thing. I have some prying tools, some suction cup, other prying tools around here, tweezers, extension, and a whole lot of tips, different styles, different heads, even some little sockets here with also different styles. We have a magnetic here. This is very useful here. It's like if you lose some screw, you can just maybe probably use the extension with the handle and put this one inside like tight spots to extract some screws or anything metal that you have like that have fallen from you. Yeah, and that's pretty much it. So you want to close it, you fold that back here, same with the other side. You just like fold one side and then the other will snap to it just like that, and you throw in that and it snaps into place. Sometimes it's cool. You have some venting here for, I guess, air, and it's not metal, it's plastic, but it's cool. I just want to show you something real quick. Yeah, these holes here, you feel like they are pretty tight. There's some kind of rubbery or something, although this is also plastic, but I think they have something inside the holes. I'm sure. Yeah, you can see there is something inside the hole. When you put it, you feel like it's something rubbery. So yeah, I've used this to open up like my laptop here, and other things. But yeah, that's pretty much it. I like it so far. I still haven't used it like extensively, but it's pretty good.